Okay, we're going to start it and see. All right. So. Yes, sound. That's how it sounds. Perfect. So we're going to install Flamethrower in it. Yes, perfect. It sounds well and it's silent now. Let's see if we're going to install Flamethrower in it. Yes, Camaro. Yes, 2017. This is it right now, all the way from Nigeria to Benin Republic, Cotonou, as you all know. So we are going to install the Flamethrower in it. Yes, you can see I have the engine here. Let's see. Yeah, no? Double exhaust. Let's get this loose. Okay, so right now I'm going to test the sound and see how it sounds like. Okay guys, yes, so we are going to trace the cable. Yes, the coil is not connected with the switch, so I have to look for the cable here and direct the cable, the ignition cable. You can see that all the coil has been removed, so I'm going to trace the cable and pass the cable through to the inside. Okay guys, yes, this is it. This is what it takes to look for the cable. Yes, you're going to open it up, open everything up. So I open all the plug, and this is the cable. This is the positive cable. You can see it, violet and green straps on it all the way to the other side. So I'm going to show you how I join it here. Yes, you can see the cable is here and the cable is here. You see that? So it is now joined here and go through all the way, you see here, and then go through to that side. So I split it into two, join this as usual to my hash color. This is the positive, while this is the coil wire. Yes, that is it. So right now I've gotten it. I am going to clean it and cover all here the way it is. Yes, and place the wire all the way to the under the dashboard. So I'll get that done and I'll get you guys back on here. Okay guys, so I get everything coupled. You can see everything is intact the way it's supposed to be. The cable under there, and it went through like so all the way, and this is it. We went through that, you can see that, and entered there, and it came out here. You see that? It came out there, and this is it. So I am going to run another wire from here to the back, and also I'm going to bore the plug hole under the exhaust. So I run the cable. You can see this is the cable for the exhaust, and this is the engine cable. Yes, I run it through here. I'm going to point it out for you. It's in here, trust me, and it went into this, and yes, went behind this cover, back seat cover, all the way to the back. I'm going to show you from the back, and you see it there. It came out from here behind, and it came here. I've drilled a hole there. Yes, you can see it entered there, and I'm going to go under and show you. So you can see it there. Where is it? Okay, it's behind this. I don't know if you can see it there. Yes, this, and then it came. So I tied the coil. You see the way the coil is. I tied it positive and negative. Drill my hole. Drill the second side hole. Putting the plug. Yes, this cable I am going to use a single coil on the two. Yes, using a single coil on the two plug. Yes, so getting more wire and split it and wire it up. But for now I'm going to test it like this and see how it will sound like. So let me get it connect. I'm going to connect the module now. Okay, so this is the module. This is the new version of KB custom kit. Yes, if you need it, you order it. Let me show you. Yes, unlike former one, no, I've upgraded to this. So we have this. Yes, forget about what is written here. Yes, I just decided to use this case. So I'm printing this case and I'm making the kit. This is the cable, very easy to install. I am going to install it and I will explain to you how I get it installed. So let me get that done. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so I get it connected. You can see, this green is a signal for the coil. Yes, from the module. This two color is signal from the coil. It goes to red to the back side, and the other side go to negative for the coil for the back. And this wire here is hot to the body, and this wire is negative for the coil and the relay. Yes, and we will go to relay side, and this cable, this two cable is from the engine. This is the positive, while this is the coil. Yes, so that is how I get it connected. And this is the switch. I'm going to put the switch somewhere here. So for the meantime, I'm going to test it like this and see how it works before I'll paste it in where it's supposed to be. So let's get it test. Okay guys, so you will be sorry about the noise. If the noise is too much, I'm going to take off. I'm going to do a voice note on it. So the light, the fire, the flame is not aggressive as I want, so I decided I want to remove the port. Yes, so that I can modify the port. So this exhaust has been tempered before, and for me to lose all this racket is going to be tough for me, so I decided to cut it on the same place that they've already welded before. You can see, so I cut it out, then remove the bracket. It has a bracket here, Talesa rubber, and also here, then another bracket holding the front one. You can see it there. So that is held by 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter here too. You see that? You can see it there. So I am going to put it down now, and I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so I just need to show you guys. So I remove it up. As I remove it, this is what I found. You can see how this has rust out on the other side. So as I open it, that's the cover there. So I open it and I found it, so I have to fix it the way it's supposed to. That is why I am doing this. You can see how perfect mine is. You can see the way it looked before. This is after. So I am going to get it done, finished. Yes, and I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, this is how I get it done. Yes, all the way to the back side. Yes, perfect work. So right now I'm going to cover it on and tack it in place. And guys, so I covered it up back, yes, just to protect the pipe, and you can see how it's looking like. Yes, so right now I am going to install it back to the car. Yes, and wet the edges in place. Okay guys, so as everything is done well, I am going to install and place the switch where it's supposed to be. I don't know where I'm going to post it, but yes, putting it here will be fine, or putting it under here, I don't know. So I'll find a suitable place to put it on, and then I'll get you guys back up. Let me get into it. Yeah. So guys, you're going to hear the sound now first. Yes, and start it up. It's so crazy. Yes, really crazy. So we're going to allow it to warm up, and then we'll test it out.